In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Trello with Todoist using Zapier. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up a connection that allows tasks from Trello to automatically create tasks in Todoist. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Zapier website into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Zapier dashboard if prompted. Sign in with your account credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. Next, locate the button labeled Create on the dashboard. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will direct you to a new page where you can start creating a new Zap, which is the term used by Zapier for automation workflows. After that, find and click on the option labeled Zaps within the menu. This section will show you all the Zaps you've created or have access to. You may see a blank screen if you are new to Zapier, but that is normal. Once you are on the Zaps page, you should see a search bar. Type in Trello Todoist into this search bar. The interface will suggest relevant integrations based on your input. Confirm that the suggested integration matches your intent before proceeding. Now, click on the button that says Start Building. This action will take you to the setup page for your new Zap. You will see sections for both the trigger and action apps, which are essential for configuring the integration. Next, select Trello from the list of applications. This option will allow you to set up the trigger for your Zap. The interface will refresh, displaying options related to. Following that, click on the area labeled Trigger Event. This section will present you with various trigger options associated with Trello. Select the option that suits your needs, typically labeled New Card. Then, click on the button labeled Account. This step is necessary for linking your Trello account to Zapier. A prompt may appear asking you to connect your Trello account if you have not done so already. Once prompted, click on Connect Trello. This action will guide you through the authentication process, allowing Zapier to access your Trello information securely. Next, repeat the process for Todoist by clicking on Todoist in the Action Apps section. This step is crucial for defining what happens in Todoist when a trigger occurs in Trello. Click on Todoist again, as you will need to specify the action that will take place. The interface will update to show different action options available for Todoist. Now, click on the area labeled Action Event. This section will display various actions you can perform in Todoist based on the trigger from Trello. Select Create Task, which is typically the most common action. After that, click on the Account section again to connect your Todoist account. Similar to the Trello connection, you may need to authenticate your Todoist account at this stage. Then click on Connect Todoist. This will prompt you to input your Todoist credentials if you have not already linked your account. Finally, if you would like to integrate Trello with Todoist yourself, you can find a link in the description below. This integration process allows for seamless task management across both platforms. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.